Now, standard equation of a parabola. Standard equation means deriving the equation in a specific way, specific form. Depending upon the position of the fixed line and the fixed point, the equation will have different forms. The equation of for the parabola, its definition is collection of all those points which are equidistant from a fixed line and a fixed point in the plane, that we know. That is, there is a fixed line and a fixed point. If the line is like this and the point is here, then the parabola will be like this. If the line is like this and point is this, then the parabola will be like this. So these distances are same. So the specific form, the standard form will be obtained by the specific choice of this fixed line, which is directrix, and the fixed point. Fixed point. So we choose that directrix and the focus in a specific way. For this, we need to define two terms. So these two are the axis of the parabola and the vertex of the parabola. Now consider the parabola, the directrix and the focus. This is the focus here. This is directrix. Then the line passing through the focus and perpendicular to the directrix is called the axis of the parabola. Axis of the parabola. The line passing through the focus perpendicular to the directrix. Perpendicular to the directrix. Axis. And the point of intersection of this axis with the parabola, this is called the vertex of the parabola. The vertex of the parabola. Axis is the line passing through focus perpendicular to the directrix. Vertex, the point of intersection of the axis with the parabola. Yes. And this vertex is clearly halfway between this focus and the directrix, because these two distances are equal. These two distances are equal. If the directrix is like this and parabola is like this, then focus here, then this vertex is this, axis is this. Axis is this and the vertex is this. And now for the standard equation, the choice of this focus and directrix, or in other ways, the choice of this axis and vertex is taken in a specific way. For the standard equation, this axis is taken as the x-axis. Axis of the parabola is x-axis. X-axis in the coordinate plane. X-axis, we have x-axis and y-axis in the coordinate plane. All the derivations of equations can be done in coordinate plane. So axis is taken as the x-axis and vertex is taken as the origin. So this is x-axis. Axis is x-axis. And this is origin. So we have the y-axis here. This is the vertex. Then if we derive the equation of this parabola, the equation obtained is the standard equation. Is the standard equation. So we can derive it. For deriving this, what we do is, take a point Pxy on the parabola. And also remember that for a parabola there is the directrix and also the focus. Fixed point and fixed line, that should be chosen. So since this axis is the x-axis, this point takes the form, the y-coordinate of this point, the focus is 0 and the x-coordinate, suppose it is A. That is this distance, this is origin. This distance OF is A, so this point is A0. And if this OF is A, then this distance also is this small a, this distance. Because this point is the halfway between these 2 points. The distances of the point on the parabola from this fixed point and the fixed line are equal. So this distance is also A, and A unit from the left of this y-axis. So this distance, this point is this minus A0, this point. And therefore this is the line, directrix is the line which is parallel to the y-axis at a distance this minus A from the origin. At a distance A from the origin, that is this point is minus A. Therefore, the equation of this line parallel to y-axis is x equal to constant, x equal to minus A. So equation of this directrix is x equal to minus A. X equal to minus A. And now consider the relation. So Pxy, general point on the parabola. This A is the point A0, this F is the point A0, and this Pf is equal to this Pm, draw this Pm perpendicular to this directrix. Then this is the distance. This Pm is equal to Pf. Pm is equal to Pf. This point dq distance from this fixed point and the fixed line. So the condition satisfied by this point is Pf is equal to Pm, that is this Pf is equal to Pm. Geometrical condition. Puts in terms of this x and y. So this Pm distance between this point and this point. So this is minus A0, and therefore this point is minus A y, because this height is y, this height is y, this height is y, and this distance is minus A y. So Pm is equal to this, Pf is equal to Pm. Now consider this Pf equal to this x minus A whole square root of x minus A whole square plus y minus 0 whole square, which is equal to this Pm distance formula here also, this root of this x minus A, x plus A whole square plus y minus y whole square, y minus y whole square. Or squaring, we get this x minus A whole square plus y square is equal to x plus A whole square. X plus A whole squared, or this x squared minus 2xa plus A squared plus y squared is equal to x squared plus 2xa plus A squared. So x squared cancelled, A squared cancelled. Transposing this minus 2axa to the right side, we see that y squared is equal to 4xa, or we may write this y square is equal to 4ax, and this is the coordinate of the parabola in the standard form. That is, this y square is equal to 4ax. Where a is this distance. distance from origin to this focus. So this is the standard equation. In the standard equation, the axis is x-axis and vertex is the origin. Therefore, the focus becomes A0, where A is this distance, and the direction is x equal to minus A or x plus A equal to 0. So this is the standard equation. Okay? Then, similarly we can have 3 more similar forms for the standard equation, which are, if we take this in that fashion, that is in this form, this is also similar to this form. We can take this in this form, or we can take this in this form. These are all equivalent forms of this. The shape of this parabola is slightly different because of certain reasons. Choice of the sign of this A. If we take this point here, the form of the parabola waves. So, thus we have actually 4 different forms for the standard equation. And the first one is this y squared is equal to 4x. The other 3 cases can be discussed in the next video. Okay?